final result of the animation we created. First of all, we need to choose 5 images. After selecting those 5 images and placing them inside a frame, make sure that the width and height of your frame match the other frames. Next, we create a rectangle and make its width and height exactly the same as the frame's dimensions. We fill the rectangle with black and apply a gradient to it. Then we change the gradient angle, set both ends to black, and reduce one side's opacity to 0. We rename this rectangle to a shadow, copy it, and paste it over all our frames. After this step, we need to select all the frames and apply auto layout to them. Once we've done that, we'll need 2 ellipse shapes. For creating our main frame, we'll use the desktop frame preset. We change the frame's background color to black. After placing the images, we add the ellipse shapes to the frame and adjust their vertical positions slightly. Next, we need to set the gradient opacity of the middle image to 0 so that it appears clearer. After this, we add text. When writing the text, make sure it stays in a single line and is not separated. Once we've added the text, we create a circle and check whether it fits properly in the frame. At this stage, we'll use a plugin called to Path. To use this plugin, select both the text and the shape you want the text to follow. The plugin will curve the text along that shape. We'll also add another text element for the top of the page. Next, we want to add a red shadow to the image for a more aesthetic look. We move the circle into the red area. And to complete the design, we'll also add 2 arrows to our layout. Now we reach the prototyping stage. For prototyping, we need to modify the circular text we created earlier. And remove the gradient we had applied to the middle image. We repeat this process for the other frames as well. As you can see, we move the image slightly and remove the gradient from the center image. In the prototyping phase, we also need to select the arrows and apply smart animation to them. Setting the duration to 1000 milliseconds, we repeat this process for all arrows. And this is the final result of the animation we created.